plantain, also known as bole, is a delicious and filling street snack. Even though these yummy snacks got its popularity on the street, it can also be prepared at home in an oven or an open grill. So let's do it together. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are definitely welcome to my kitchen. So this is the plantain I'm going to be using. It's ripe and it's washed already. So I'll give it a slit on the side. Peel the plantain out of their coats. And that's very easy to do. So I'm going to cut this into a small size. You can decide to leave it this way. It is all up to you. Just do you, okay? For me, I just want to cut this into the sizes you're seeing right here. Okay, so I'll put that into my bowl and it is time for seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna season it with my seasoning powder. Use any seasoning powder of choice. I'll go in with my ginger and garlic powder. All this will infuse good taste into it. So I will add my onion, salt, and I'll mix everything together. So I'll add in vegetable oil. I'll mix everything together, and when this is done grilling, the taste was amazing. So we'll place this into our hot oven to grill for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how ripe the plantain is. So you turn the plantain over from time to time so that the other side can roast evenly. The bole is ready when all sides are properly cooked. So for the sauce, I've added in my vegetable oil. I like to heat up a bit, and I'll add in my chopped onion, my pepper mix, and now my seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning powder of choice, and I'll stir everything to combine together. So I'm gonna be cooking this for a few minutes and I'll come back to it. So I'll give this a quick stir. I have some leftover cow skin and stockfish. I threw them into it, so you can add any protein of choice. So I'll go in with otazi leaf, just small, so it wouldn't be bitter, and stir everything together. Cook for a few minutes and it is done. Thank you everyone for always coming to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support. I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? You can enjoy this with grilled fish, granuts, or pepper sauce, okay? And this was so delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. From me is bye.